Well, hello once again, and thank you for joining me on this Waters and Stanton video channel, a news item actually, and I thought get the information out pretty quickly because it's pretty exciting news. You know, in recent times Yaesu have been doing their cashback and there's been some significant savings, and one of the most amazing products from Yaesu is the Yaesu FT710 HF transceiver, SDR all the way through. It's their first SDR transceiver. When I say first, the first one that's SDR all the way through. And it's been a huge success. And if you follow this video channel, you'll know that I use that transceiver. Very, very impressed with it. It's a budget class transceiver. It's got cashback on it. We've got some freebies going with it. And check our website now if you're in the market for the FT710. And don't forget, you can also do part exchange, so there's a good deal there. Now, ICOM have joined in, which is very welcome. A couple of radios which I think really are outstanding in terms of what ICOM are offering is first of all, the IC7100. Now, that's been around for a little while, but it's still got a lot to offer. It's HF through to VHF, UHF. And if you're looking for a sort of DC to light transceiver, that's a serious transceiver. It works extremely well. And I'll put up on the screen now the offer price. You see the radio there, and then you'll see sliding across the price that we're doing it at. And then the other radio, which I think really merits serious consideration, is the ICOM IC705. Again, been around for some while now. I use it, an IC705, use it regularly, and I love it. It's a great transceiver. Again, DC to light, well, HF to 70 SEMS, and it's a QRP radio, 5 watts out with the internal battery, 10 watts out if you use an external supply. It's got a lovely display. Put it up on the screen now. There's the IC705, and if you slide across, you'll see the deal price that we're offering. Now, these deals on ICOM are limited to the stock that we've got. We bought a huge amount of stock from ICOM at our central depot in Milton Keynes, and I mean a lot of stock, and that's why we were able to offer such good prices. And if you want to purchase one of these, then mention my name and you may well get a little bit extra, or free carriage, something like that. Say that you watch the video channel, and can they give you free carriage or give you a free hat or something like that. You know, at Milton Keynes now, we've become the main depot now for ham radio equipment. We've got the largest warehouse, the largest stock, and because of the buying power that we've now got, we can negotiate some great deals. And we're anxious to pass those deals on to you for two reasons. First of all, we want to give back what you've given us over the years, and also we want to get even bigger. And the bigger we get, the more clout we've got with our suppliers. That sounds like Donald Trump, doesn't it? Anyway, don't think we're quite in that league yet. So, if you're in the market for any of these transceivers, or any other transceiver come to that, give us a ring. See what deal you can strike with us. We'd be happy to do a deal. We're always happy to do a deal. And if you're overseas, don't forget that we do ship overseas as well, and we can offer most of these deals overseas. And of course, if we ship overseas, then we don't charge any UK VAT. Any tax you pay is the local tax when the goods are landed in your particular country. And we offer very fast shipment. Goods to the USA, usually around about 3 days. Goods out to the Pacific, Australia, New Zealand, usually about 6 days. That's not bad, is it? Anyway, short news item. Thank you for support on this channel. Thank you for your support at the shop or on the website or wherever you happen to deal with us. And in the meantime, you enjoy your ham radio, you take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.